feathers. And I feel
niya.
like
May baka umiyak.
Lumabas.
it's like a bird. It's really strong now.
Wait.
So, it's a vulture, kuya. Baby vulture.
Vulture ba?
It's finding a way how to escape. It took the big one now, right? In case we like it doesn't
Yung
have.
big one, yun din yun.
Last time you knew how to climb.
Ano?
Sabi niya, nasa na ba ako?
Last time he climbed off. Last time he climbed off, kuya. See this one?
Nag-ano?
This one's higher.
Ay, wag dyan. Papanik. Sabi, Mommy, Daddy.
It's like a dinosaur.
Hello.
Kuya, don't be scared.
Video. Parang baliw.
Look at the feathers. It's got this thing on it. It looks like it's
Maganda ba shot mo?
plastic.
Ay na, ano man yun?
It does have soft skin. It can get through. Hey, get through. Put it on the ground.
Gusto lumabas.
Put it on the ground. Do you want it?
What's the size? Ito.
Wala ko.
Ayan o. Ito.
It's so sexy. I've never seen a baby bird. Only in school, the baby chicks. Chickens.
Masyado malapit yung camera ko.
I bet you mommy took a picture of its face.
Saan nagpupunta?
Sa likod eh. Tatalon.
That thing could fly. A little bit, like a chicken now. I think it wants to escape. That's why it's going to be angry in the future. It's always that, kuya.
Ilo na yan.
Hindi, mapapagod. Hindi kasi
Sige, lagay mo.